Okay, YouTube, so today what we're about to do is we are going to be doing kind of a teacher fashion haul. One of my mom's good friends from work recently went through some of her things, and the items that she didn't want anymore, she said, pass them along to Kathy, see if she can use them or wear them at school. So they're not exactly necessarily brand new, but they're going to be new to me, and she sent 3 grocery bags of blouses and shirts and sweaters and very teachery clothes. So I'm going to try those on for you guys now. Okay, so here is look number 1. I think I like it. I think it'll do good for school. High neckline, so it can pass that test for working with students. The sleeves don't go all the way, so you don't have to worry about dragging them through markers. So I'll take it. I think this one's pretty good. The only thing I'm wondering about is, let me see if I can, it sits just to one side a little bit, so I might have to adjust my straps a bit for that day, but I think it'll work. And even if I don't end up actually using this one for school, it might be like a good casual date shirt. I mean, I am wearing jeans just so we can get an idea for like jean day Fridays, going to school, going to dates, just going out. Solid shirt. I take it back. It does not pass one test, and that is the lift and the reach. I can't do it with both arms, but it definitely goes up. It does not stay in place. So if I wear it at school, I'll be constantly adjusting all day. Still like it though. Still probably will keep it because it's a good shirt, but just if I wear it at school, it'll be maybe during winter time when you can have like the cami under it. That way if you lift your arms, you don't have students staring at your belly button. So there. Okay, so here's the next look. It's really orange in the lighting in this room, but it's actually a bright red shirt. I like it. I think it's a good winter shirt. I think it would be great to wear at like a Christmas party, faculty party, even on like Valentine's Day for class parties, that kind of thing. But if I'm being honest, I probably would not wear this one in the classroom. It fits, it lifts, it does all the things. It's okay. But just with it being a turtleneck, our buildings get so hot that I just know for me personally, that would not be good. But I'll probably keep it anyway just because it's a good shirt. It just won't be one that I can wear at school without being miserable all day most of the time. Okay, so we have on shirt number 3, and I'm not going to show you guys the full front view because it does not fit. It's very tight across the chest, and with it being, it's not just white, it's very, very thin, so there are things you can definitely see under this shirt, and with it being so tight, that's not good, and I also do not want any of my students to accidentally find this and see that, so shirt number 3 is going to be a no. Even if it did fit, I would have to wear such a layer under it that it would probably just be hot and not practical for me all the time. Oh, side fact, guys, I get hot very, very easily during the winter. I'm more into layers, and I like my foundational layer to be something that even if I have all my coats and sweaters and everything off, I can be comfortable even if it's just like a short sleeve or something, just because our buildings get so hot sometimes in the winter. If the heat is set on, we can't control the temperature. And if you work in a school, once you have 20-something little bodies in there, it gets hot regardless of the setting. So I've got to be a little bit more comfortable than this. And if I'm having to wear like a thick tank top under it or even a t-shirt so they don't see things, well, then that defeats my purpose. So this one's going to be a no for me. I do want to let you guys know that none of these are going to be thrown away. I was told, whichever ones didn't work for me, pass on and see if any of my other teacher friends want them. And the ones that absolutely no one wants, to donate it. So these shirts will find a home, but just that might not be at home with me. This is shirt number 4. It's very shadowy on film, but it is white. Actual full turtleneck, this one. It's okay. I mean, being a white shirt, it definitely accentuates roundness, which I'm not so sure about. But I don't have any solid white shirts as a base, so I might keep it anyway just till I find something better. once again, being turtleneck, probably wouldn't wear it in the classroom. But I've been looking for a good white shirt that I can use as a foundation to build on for outside of school stuff. It does have some like discoloration and stuff, so I'll see if I can treat that and get it back to whiteness, and then if I can, I'll keep it. If not, I will pass it along. Not a bad shirt. It definitely does the lift showy thing, so probably, like I said, not for school, but not a bad shirt. Okay, I've lost count, but whatever shirt this is, no, it's not the exact same red one as the other one. It's different. It's actually, I know you can't see on film, but it's actually more of like the rib texture, whereas the other one was like the smooth texture. It fits. It doesn't lift too bad. It is like a little baggy on my back, which is kind of weird, but it's very comfortable. I might go back later on and retry and see which one I like better, keep the ones I like better, and get rid of the one that I don't. So I might have to compare these two. I didn't realize there were two nearly identical red shirts, but all the things I said about the first one and what it could be used for apply to this one. Okay, so here is the next shirt. It is very red and very plaid. Not a bad shirt. Fits well. Fits actually pretty loose. Don't know that this is necessarily a classroom shirt. It could be. Like, depending on what I wore for bottoms and how I accessorized, I could make it look like a professional look, I guess. If I keep this one, it will be to wear with leggings to run to the Walmart. Just be kind of casual, comfy, or around the house in the winter. This is not going to be my typical professional style. Although I've seen people do it and who can work it. I tend to go for more the quick and easy without having to put the work into it kind of look. So since this one I would have to like dress up and all that kind of thing, I don't know if I'll keep it. Or I don't know that I will use it for school. I might just wear it, like I said, as the casual shirt. So, yeah. So, quick thing before I change into the next shirt. Let me try that again. Quick thing before I change into the next shirt. Probably next week sometime, I'm going to actually be doing another video where I'm going to go through all the clothes that I have in my closet and dresser and everything, like all of my clothes completely, and clean out for keep, give away, donate kind of thing. So even though I'm gaining a lot of clothes today, I might be going through and seeing what I really want. So you might see some of these again when I compare them to items that I already have and see whether I need them or not. So just keep that in mind. I'm not just going to hoard the clothes or anything like that, but stay on the lookout for that next video, and when it does come out, I will link it below as well. Okay, this one I'm going to say is a no for me. First thing I noticed is it's kind of itchy. It's not super soft plaid. It's kind of scratchy, and I don't really like that. So there's that, and just I'm not all about the pattern on this one, so I just don't see myself wearing it. This one's going to go to the donate pile. This one's another one that's going to be a no for me, guys. It feels funny, and the shoulders do like this weird thing. When I first put it on, I was like, yes, it's got sleeves that I can roll up easy. That'll be perfect for the classroom. It's open where I can breathe, but not too low. But it's just, it has those good qualities. It doesn't look horrible, especially not with the jeans, but I don't love it. I feel very much like I'm borrowing like my dad or brother's shirt or something, not like I'm wearing one of my own shirts, so I definitely wouldn't wear it to work. So this one's going to be a no for me. Okay, so here's the next look. I feel very much like I'm going to a themed like 60s party. It does not fit super well. It's tight in the shoulders and across the back, and it ends without a button, so much higher than where I need it to. So I probably won't keep this one. If I did, I would not even probably wear like the shirt that it is. I would probably wear a tank top under it and then have it like open, almost like a jacket or something. or as part of a look, but definitely not as a standalone shirt. That and just, it's not for me. So, on to the next one. Okay, so this one is interesting. I don't know. I just don't know, because it has a lot of good things going for it, but it has some things I'm just curious about. Like, I love the 3/4 sleeve so that I don't have to roll my sleeves up when I'm working. I like that it's a little open here so I can breathe. It does go a little low without a button, so I would probably have to wear a cami or something under for just in case I had to bend over or whatever, but that's okay, because it's not too hot. It is a thick material. It's got like the abalone buttons. It's very similar to a little like shorts and shirt outfit I had when I was like really young with these kinds of buttons. But here you go. This one I'm going to call a maybe for right now. It might be one where I do the thing where I keep it, but then if I haven't worn it, probably more with my fall winter clothes, and then if I haven't worn it after a few months, then I'll get rid of it just because I kind of like it, but I don't know how much it's the thing I'm going to go for. I kind of want to do a trial run and see, like, wear it to school one day after it starts cooling down, and then after it starts cooling down, if I don't wear it ever again because I didn't like it, okay, that's time for me to get rid of it. If I do like it, okay, we'll keep it. But this is a maybe, because it's got a lot of great features, but I just need to see. I need to see how it feels in the classroom. Like, right now I'm comfortable, but does it get hot? Because it is a little thick, so we'll just see. I'm sure I'll keep you posted. So we have left the shirt category and we are into the sweater category. This is the first one, and what I did is I just put on like a white tank top underneath so that I can just try them on for now, because if I ever wore them to school, that's probably what I would do, is I would just wear a tank top and throw them on and it would be my shirt for the day. And this would be definitely in like January when it actually gets pretty cold, or anything like that. So I like this one. I would definitely wear this in a heartbeat, so I'm keeping it. It's mine. I can breathe around the neck, which is important, but it's not super low cut. It's got some good texture, but not like a distracting pattern for students, so it's a keeper. Okay, so sweater number 2 is short sleeve with a single button, but it does have, let me see if I can show you. I missed it. Hang on. About that, it actually has 2 buttons at the top that just kind of hold it. I think this is really good because I can just wear like a black tank top under it and go about my day, and I can use this as a transitional piece between spring and fall and definitely make it work. Definitely, maybe not bright in August, but maybe by like October. Just so y'all know, I'm in South Carolina, so it stays hot for a long time. But this is something that can give me that coverage, making sure I look professional, but still be a little bit comfortable. So I like it. I have actually been looking for something like this. Sorry, I got real hoarse there. I've actually been looking for something like this. This would not be one that I necessarily would pair with an outfit, but I've been looking for like a good solid black sweater that I can just throw on top of my outfit and go out the door with, and I like that it has a little button just to hold it in place. But I've also been looking for, if you're a teacher, you know, the chair sweater, the one that just stays on your chair. That way if you get cold while you're in the classroom, you can put it on real quick, but you don't necessarily take it home with you. It's just there for the real quick in case you need it kind of thing. I've been looking for one of those. I have several cardigans. I've got some lighter sweaters, but I haven't had a good solid one that I'm okay just leaving at the school that would look okay with other outfits. So I needed a black one. So this is it. This one is not bad. Hang on, let me get where we can see it good. I don't love it. The sleeves are actual, like, regular long sleeve t-shirt sleeves, and just the middle is sweaterish. It's not bad. I can definitely see someone wearing this. I don't think I would wear it just because I'm distracting myself with my sleeves right now. And I know, knowing my population of students, they'd get super distracted too. Just because I have a striped shirt I wore one time and they were like, whoa. But it's not bad. It's just not for me. If I did keep it, it would be for lounging around the house, but I've got so many other clothes. Like, I'll keep this one, and then when I go through clothes next week, I'll see if I still need it or if I can pass this one along. It's like on the fence, but leaning towards being passed along, just because it's not like, ooh, I love it. It's not horrible, but it's just, I don't think it's me. Guys, this is it. This is the one. I found it. This is the best. It's got the faux little turtleneck thing that I can turn down. It has a zipper, so you get the comfort of a hoodie without it being a hoodie since you're professional. And it has pockets. This is the one. I don't know if I want this to be my chair sweater or if I want this to be available to me to wear. I really like this. Yeah, this one's not going to be my chair sweater because I like it even more. This is going to be my home sweater where I can wear it out if I want to come winter, or I can wear it with my work clothes to school. But because it's got that zipper, it can come off easy. That's the thing. I can't do pullover sweaters if I'm going to get hot because I'll be that way all day. So, yes, I'm so happy with this one. It's got like the classic little cables on it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Looks good with jeans. Yes. I got so excited that I got out of focus, but there you go. Here's the next one. The lighting's not the best in here, like I said. Very, very purple. Very festive. This one would be great for winter and Christmas time and all of that. I don't know if I'll keep it. I might keep it. I can't tell. Is that, nope, that's the pattern. Okay, I thought it had some discoloration, but that's the pattern. I might keep it. I don't know. I'm not in love with it, but it's the same kind of style as the last one that I love so much, which is good. It's just, it doesn't have the pockets. And what I would do, let me show you this real quick, is it has shoulder pads, and I already have broad enough shoulders, so I will probably, if I keep this one, I will take the shoulder pads out, see how I like it. And once again, when I go through clothes the next week, it's a maybe, because it does have all those other features that I do like, so we'll see. Last but not least, we have this one. It's a good style, but it is not comfortable, which means I won't wear it, so I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to pass it on so that it can find a better home, and it's just that it's really like tight around the wrist, and that just seems odd to me, and so that makes it hard. I know I'm shaking the camera, but it's hard to roll up the sleeves because it's so tight around my forearms. And if my dad were here, he would make a joke about Popeye. But yeah, that's not going to happen. Great sweater, not for me. Donate bin. YouTube. So as you can see, I am back in my t-shirt, and that is because basically it's June and I live in South Carolina. So I've just been trying on sweaters. It is hot. But yeah, it was a good experience. I got a pretty good haul, I will say, of some shirts that'll be good for just normal everyday use, and some that'll work pretty good for school. Several sweaters that I love, so I'm really, really happy with this. A couple things that I can pass on or donate or whatever. I'll probably just post those on Facebook to my teacher friends and be like, hey, do you want this? And if they say no, off to Goodwill it goes. That's probably how that's going to be. This is probably going to be my first official teacher video. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, share, ring the bell, all the things. And so long from the little greenhouse.